How are coins minted? Coins are typically made through a process known as minting, which involves several steps. Here is a step-by-step overview of how coins are made. Design and engraving. The coin's design is created by an artist and then transferred to a metal engraving. The design includes the obverse, front, and reverse, back, of the coin, often featuring national symbols, portraits, or other relevant imagery. Master die creation. Engraved designs are transferred onto a steel rod, creating a master die. This die is used as a template for making multiple copies. Blank production. Thin metal discs, known as planchets or blanks, are cut from large sheets of metal. These blanks are typically made from materials like copper, nickel, or zinc, depending on the coin's composition. Annealing. The planchets are heated to soften the metal, making it easier to strike with the design. Coin striking. Minting. The blanks are placed between two dies, the obverse and reverse. The coin press applies immense pressure to strike the blank, transferring the design from the dies onto the blank. This process also imparts the coin's edge and reading, grooved edges. Inspecting. After striking, coins go through a quality control process. Inspectors check for any defects or imperfections and separate flawed coins. Coinage mark. Some coins receive additional marks to indicate their authenticity, origin, or quality. These marks can include mint marks, privy marks, or date marks. Final annealing. Coins may be heat treated again to relieve any stress or strains from the striking process. Cleaning and polishing. Coins may be cleaned and polished to improve their appearance and remove any residues or contaminants. Packaging. The finished coins are packaged in rolls, bags, or other containers suitable for distribution and storage. It's important to note that the exact process can vary depending on the type of coin, the mint, and the country where the coins are produced. Different countries may use different metals and techniques in coin production.